Hello to all our followers from Pakistan. I want to make this video for you, Nasser. Nasser, we started to work together for a couple of months now, and I'm very satisfied about our cooperation and the work you're doing for us in the Pakistan market. Today, I would like to show some of your own purchases which you made in the past few weeks. We want to start with this one, very special pigeon. She's named Batman, and she won the first super final in Krakers One Love race in 2022. Very nice hen. The only pigeon which arrived on the day of release. So very special achievement. She was sold in the SG Staffel auction last weekend. And today she will be transported to Pakistan. I'm sure that she will be a great reinforcement for your breeding loft, and that she will produce great descendants. Okay. So another pigeon is this one. This is the daughter of All-in-One, which you purchased in the PME breeding auction. Very nice blue bar hen, soft feathered, small to medium sized, well balanced, and the daughter of the highlight from that auction, All-in-One, the first first final, second super ace Victoria Falls One Love race 2020 from Koopman. Okay, we are going to the third pigeon. Original Jan Hoijmans. You purchased this pigeon in the auction of Hoijmans. She's bred from the grandfather together with the sister of Little Marina, and Little Marina was one of the main racing hens in the loft of Christian, the loft manager of Jan Hoijmans in the 2024 racing season. Extraordinary racing hen, and this is an inbred to Marina 616, Marina 616. So very nice one. The last one I would like to show you is also a pigeon you bid in the auction of PME breeding. It is direct Hardy Kruger, inbred to Black Power. Very nice pigeon. She's from 2020, 272. And once again, thank you. And we hope that in the future more people from Pakistan buy the pigeons on EPA website. So thank you, and wish you a nice day. Bye bye.